Grand rising to all the unconscious Moors and the conscious Moors across the land. Trivia today for all the corporation. I mean, you stole a particular people land, you stole a particular people rights to the land. You make it hard for a particular people to get their rights back. But let it be known, my mother and father, King and Queen, Donald Sylvester Young, Queen Alethea May Silman, had me on 25 barred off. So let it be known, I'm not a part of your corporation Ponzi. I know represent the live, breathing soul. So when Judge Gary Wilson and the prosecutor continue on with a case for 455 days, a misdemeanor at city court case, and I'm letting it be known that before I even was involved with these people, the Buffalo police already violated due process. You can't come to a hotel room where a crime wasn't committed and the hotel room is not in your name. That means whatever case you thought you had, you violated that case with no search warrant. But let it be known, I represent the live, breathing soul. So the judges from the federal court think that it's a statute of limitation on fraudulent concealment. If I'm telling them that I represent the live, breathing soul and I got apostilles, not only that, I'm in a challenger representing the beneficiary owner of my all cap strong man. Let it be known, my mother and father didn't have no dummy. So let it be known, I want people to leave comments. I'm a nation. I represent a nation. I represent the creator, the breath of Allah, the feminine deity, the true Allah, the breath of life. I cannot surrender my unalienable rights to no corporation. I don't care. Maybe everybody didn't wake up in Buffalo. You don't need everybody to wake up. I'm one man alone, and I'm sitting here telling Letitia James, we are done with statutes and penal codes and rules and regulation. I only abide by treaty law, constitution, and supreme consciousness law. I will not be abiding by man law, only supreme law. And if I already signed out the system and gave all my money away to get my mother back, and it was fraudulent instruments that y'all created in y'all system, the demise of the people of the land. So my mother was tricked under untum sanctum alliances. I was tricked under untum sanctum alliances, pledging allegiance to a false flag. Now you said when I surrender, when I drop your fraudulent instruments and represent the fresh, live, breathing man, you're going to try to stop me and say I didn't prove status correction when you had my money and I was doing business with you since the 22nd. Maybe June 6th, I start flooding money to all over the government agencies to put a stop and a restraint on y'all so-called power, because I believe and I know that I have power. I'm a nation by myself, a government all alone, represent Yahuwah. I am. So leave a comment. Buffalo, New York, you must stand down. You violating the natural born blood heirs to the land rights. You're making laws on land that does not belong to you. If you're not going to stand up for the people, Letitia James, Kathy Huckles, you must step down. I don't understand how people going to take an oath and go against the oath. That's like people in the street. Some people don't go against the oath. They will not go against the oath. They rather die than go against the oath. So something is wrong here. My mother should have been replaced back in her own house without no issues. Shalom, shalom, Islam. Let it be known, I represent the live, breathing soul.